So what happens after? So now rejection is not something that somebody did necessarily or something that you intentionally feel. It's triggered because you're an emotional being. So what happened? That leads to obsession, right? That leads to objection. Rejection then becomes obsession. I've always said rejection breeds obsession, right? Your attention leaves your purpose in life, right? You start getting distracted from work, right? You start staging you start becoming who you're not, right? Your peace, your sense of self, right? So obviously you don't have self leadership, right? All that starts to disappear. It becomes your attention becomes fixed on the other person, the one, right? Not your fault, just naturally what happens where you feel rejected, right? You investigate them, you study them, you start bugging their cars. Shout out to Edoho. You start bugging the house, Suddenly you remember that we should put the ring in the house so that we can, security. But you know that you have ulterior motives. You start digging through their phone, looking for their password. Try to scan their face while they're asleep. You start replaying all the messages that are vague enough for you to interpret as negative. You start replaying all those messages. Start creating all type of Nollywood and Hollywood movies in your head of the worst case scenario, and you start monitoring every movement. There's no way that's fun. That's no fun. That's no fun, right? Well, what do we call it? You call it the evidence. You need to find the evidence. So that what? What's the purpose of the evidence? Because obviously you still want the marriage. So what is the purpose of the evidence? It's not your fault. It's just naturally what people do when they get obsessed, coming directly from a place of rejection. All right. So that obsession, why comparison? It produces comparison. Comparison is the thief of joy. Now we're talking about comparison, the thief of joy. It's not a great place to be, guys. This is going to push them further and further away. It's going to draw a bigger wedge between the two of you, and it's only going to get worse and worse and worse. Worse is enough, right? English language. So that's obsession. That leads to comparison. You start comparing yourself. There's no way you're good enough, right? Even though you want to tell yourself you're good enough. Yeah? You want to tell yourself, I'm good enough, right? You start manifesting, I'm good enough, right? But your actions is not saying that, right? Obsession produces comparison, right? And it's usually an unfair comparison, okay? Because let's look at this, right? What are you comparing to? I'm not motivating you. I'm going to give you some facts, okay? What are you comparing yourself? You're comparing the novelty of an instant moment of a short period of time with history. Really? Is that what you're doing? You have years of history with this person, usually, right? You're comparing the novelty with all that much experience, right? You're comparing presentation with your pain, right? Anyone can present as good. Anything can present as exciting in the heat of a moment, right? You're comparing best moments with your worst season. Is that really a fair comparison? It's not. It's not reality. Guess what lasts? What lasts the test of time? Is that the way to say that? What will stand the test of time is real life. Not the best moments, not the Instagram picture moments of a trip that somebody took and it just seems like they're so happy, right? It seems like they're just the happiest at work during lunchtime, right? So of course, even if it's someone else, right, they're getting the best of them. They haven't seen the worst of that person, right? You've seen all of the above, and and this is why you probably want to still have them, because you know what the good times feel like, right? And the good times is not the same thing as the best time. The good times is better. I know this is English language, but the good times is better because it's much more sustainable. You just have to learn how to sustain it, right? The best times are fake. They're not sustainable, right? So anyway, it's unfair comparison, but if you're going through this situation, you don't know any better. Your emotions are getting the best of you. Emotions are just that. They don't produce good. You have to put them under control in order to produce good, right? So anyway, comparison produces neediness. It becomes needy behavior. Effectively becomes needy. You start becoming needy. It's not good. This is an anti-seducer, okay? This is an anti-seducer. You don't want to be this guy or this girl, right? Needy behavior, or you come off as needy. Never mind your intentions. That's what you come off as, right? You don't want to be this person because this is going to, either in the form of your over-explaining, or you feel the need to you're seeking approval, obsessively seeking approval from the other person. Basically, it's neediness. You're trying to get them to come to therapy with you. You're trying to just come to therapy. Maybe we can get this marriage back together. All of that can come off as needy behavior, and it works again. It's just pressure, and that pressure is going to drive even bigger wedges between you and your partner. Okay, so neediness is not where you want to be out. I understand why a lot of people come off as needy or they become needy. You need reassurance, you need answers, right? Especially if you've discovered something that shattered your world. The idea that someone or something else is now the one, right? You need answers. You need immediate affection. You want everything to flip backwards almost immediately. We're just going to pretend that this did not deteriorate over a period of time, or we're just going to pretend that they just cheated on you, right? You need your position confirmed, reaffirmed. So what do? You start chasing, you start over talking, over explaining, you start pleading, you apologize, you plead, you apologize, you're defensive at the same goddamn time. You interrogate, you perform, you try to be better without being grounded, right? All of that will just create pressure, okay? And it's only a matter of time. It's a ticking time bomb. Anyway, that neediness will create repulsion. It will create repulsion. All right. What do I mean by repulsion? Like repelling, like driving a wedge, like pushing back, like anti-magnetic, right? Magnetic rather, anti-magnetic, right? Your partner, they now experience emotional pressure, even if they are the culprit, right? They experience pressure. The other person appears lighter by contrast. The other space where they find themselves, when they're smiling every day, giggling, when they're at a party, they can't control themselves. It's like they don't want to come home, right? Yeah, everything else, including everyone else, will represent the opposite of emotional pressure, right? They don't feel safe. They don't feel safe around. It's not your fault. That's not what I'm just telling you how attraction works, right? So that increased distance will basically take you back into additional painful discovery, because remember, you are obsessed. You're looking for answers everywhere. Okay, it leads to more monitoring, it leads to more rejection, it gets worse. Okay, the spiral will repeat itself over and over. It's a ticking time bomb until it's no longer sustainable, and then it becomes divorce. Okay, divorce is actually in many ways sometimes like the best thing that can happen, right? The presence of another person is real, but you strengthen their position when you allow rejection to turn you into an anti-seducer. That's the picture I'm trying to paint for you here today. Many of my clients have gone through this process before they find me. Okay, the moment they find me, the relief, there's a sudden relief that really starts a new direction. I want to show you that new direction. I've had situations where it's been side chick situation. I had situation where there's been like another, there's a better man somewhere, a better woman, a best friend,